your hair back from your eyes. I take you down, let the river flow. Sometimes I'm gonna walk the street behind a green sheet of glass, a million miles below their feet, a million miles, a million miles. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. A million pop is gonna make me sleep, but just one rose, it knows your name. The fruit is rusting on the vine. The fruit is calling from the trees. Hey, don't you wanna go down like some chunky cosmonaut? A million miles below their feet. A million miles, a million miles. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. Blue, blue is the sun. A brown, brown is the sky. A green, green are her eyes. A million miles, a million miles. Hey, don't you wanna go down like some disgraced cosmonaut? A million miles below their feet. A million miles, a million miles. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being stoned. I'll be with you, girl, like being low. Hey, 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 like being I'm getting closer to the facts. I've turned my back on silly dreams. I'm walking down that lonely road, and my heavy load, I didn't bother to bring it. When the sun shines down on me, I feel like I deserve it. When the sun shines down, I'm hiding out where you can't see, behind a wall, in the back of the room. I'm crawling slowly through the dark and feeling for a punchline. When the sun shines down on me, I want shines down, I'm walking down that empty road, but it ain't empty now because I'm on it, and I'm getting closer to a hope that I can carry and take home with me when the sun shines down on me. I feel like I have to earn it when the sun shines down.
Safe wherever Ken, we've got this. We've got this.
I can't.
I never wanted to Hey everyone, this is going to be the last video in this series, and I just want to explain why I don't have any actual footage for this part of the video. Now, don't get me wrong, I hate when videos do this, but unfortunately I just did not film the assembly process for this bike. But I'd like to just clear the air and explain a little bit about what I did for it. I think it looks better. 100C wheels are kind of big, but it gives it a sort of gravel bike. And in terms of brakes, it has these stock brakes. However, I did have to build a drop bolt for the capture, but I wish I did. It's also running a 1x, so even though it's got new stem shifters, the left one is not actually doing anything, and it's still just using that 8-speed Shimano Claris along with the 8-speed freewheel in the back. So with that being said, I hope this was an interesting process for you, and while this was my first real bike build, I do hope that I can continue making ones and newer ones and improving from my mistakes, and also make sure that I record everything, as I sort of just lost the steam when it came to record the assembly process. So once again, thank you so much for watching.